Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. Go down and hit that join button to sign up for your membership. Like, share, subscribe, drop me a comment, let me know how you're doing. And turn on the bell notifications so that you can receive all of the videos. This is TestOut Linux Pro. This is lab 4.2.5, configure dual boot. So let's get started. The IT manager has asked you to set up dual boot capabilities on a Linux system so that the system boots into Windows 10 by default, but can also boot into Linux if needed. There's an external hard drive connected to this system with Windows 10 installed. You need to configure grub2 to have your system boot to the Windows operating system by default. So we're going to change that default menu for grub2. Write the new grub settings to the config file and then reboot the machine and confirm that it boots to Windows 10. So it's going to automatically boot to Windows 10 by default. If you want it to boot to Linux, a window will come up and you can select boot to Linux. So, okay. First thing we need to do is change that file that we did when we did the grub timeouts. Oh, default grub, I'm sorry. Enter. You scroll down right here where it says grub default equals saved, and let's delete that saved out, and we're going to type Windows 10 in here. I also think it would be worthwhile that since we changed the timeout in the previous to 10, well, no, because it would take longer for the test. Oh, we don't need to hit enter. Go ahead and hit Control X, Y to save it, and enter. And now we need to write that to the grub. And let's see, that's going to be it's going to be a -O, and then we're going to boot grub2, and then it's going to be grub CFG. Okay, it looks like it wrote it, and now we need to reboot. You can see that you can select home, or I guess Windows 10 is going to boot in here. You don't have to wait for the whole process. Once you see that window, you can check your answer on your test. And there you have it, another successful TestOut Linux lab. I hope this helped you out. Study those fact sheets, study these commands. You're going to need to know these commands for that TestOut exam and your CompTIA exam. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll catch you all on the next one. Have a great day.